Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a kale coriander coconut chutney at your home for idli, dosa, roti, parota, rice. So let's start the recipe. So for this recipe, what you need, here I harvested this kale from the garden guys. So this is the homegrown kale and it is easily available in all the supermarket in India also, and this is the fresh coriander, and here I took the kadai. So here I am using the iron kadai which is very good for our health. In this I am going to add half a teaspoon of oil. So I added 1 to half a teaspoon of oil, and in this I added 3 to 4 tablespoons of urud dal. So you can add the whole urud dal or this one. And we have to fry this urud dal until it becomes light brown in color. After that we have to add this red chili. If you want more spice, you can add more red chili. This is very healthy chutney and very tasty also. So can you see the color? It started becoming light brown in color, and here I added the red chilies along with this urud dal, and we have to fry. And here I chopped this kale and coriander. I'm going to add this kale and coriander along with this urud dal and the red chili, and we have to fry this one for 1 to 2 minutes. So we should not supposed to add the coconut because we should not supposed to cook the coconut. So we have to add the coconut when we are grinding this kale. So if you don't have a kale, you can prepare this chutney with the coriander and the coconut. So can you see it started becoming reduced, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this tamarind. If you don't want to add tamarind, you can skip. You can add the amchur powder or the anardana powder. It gives the tanginess in this chutney. That's why we are adding the imli, that is the tamarind. So it's time to switch off the flame. And here I added the fresh coconut. And when it becomes cooled down, we have to grind it as a very smooth paste by adding water. So if you want to skip the coconut, you can skip, but it gives a nice taste in this chutney guys. So I added 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut. So I used the same spoon which I used for the urud dal. So this is the measuring spoon. As I said, we should not supposed to cook the coconut. So I put this kale and coconut in the blender guys. So what we have to do, we should not supposed to add the water now. First we have to grind this one as a very smooth powder. After that we have to add water. So can you see, I grind this one as a very smooth powder. Because we added the kale, it should be little bit watery guys, because the kale contains a lot of water. So and in this I'm going to add little bit of water. Don't add too much of water because the chutney will become very watery. So that's why. So we have to add little bit of water, and I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. So can you see how it looks like guys? So very tasty recipe, and I added the salt also. That is up to your choice. How much salt you want in your chutney. The chutney is ready, and I'm going to put this one in the serving bowl. So for the tempering, I added 1 tablespoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal, and 1 red chili. So here I added the mustard seeds, the urud dal, and the red chili, and here I am adding the hing powder. It gives a nice taste in this chutney. So the tempering is ready, and the chutney is also ready, and I'm going to mix. So today I'm going to have this one with the ghee roti, guys, because today is Ekadesi. So I prepared the roti. We don't eat rice items. So yeah, and you can have this chutney with idli, dosa, roti, ghee roti, rice. So yeah. So I put that ghee roti, the kale chutney, and the bindi sabji, guys. So this is a quick video of how to make a kale chutney at your home. See you soon in my cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.